The Arkansas Foundation for Medical Care is a nonprofit organization established in 1972, and our mission is not to deliver health care but to make it better. We work across the spectrum from physicians to hospitals, nursing homes. We do work for Medicaid, Medicare, and look for ways to educate and promote best practices in medicine.
AFMC is the leader in providing quality health care in Arkansas through their educational programs and the programs that they do in hospitals to help them study quality issues, identify quality issues, and come up with solutions for those. AFMC stands out as probably the primary, if not the only organization in the state that has quality health care at the very front of its agenda.
AFMC has shown a great working relationship with hospitals, physicians, the consumer, and state government. What I've noticed about AFMC is that when they come into a hospital, they have an ability to get the physician, the hospital staff, the nurses, all working together to improve quality improvement within the hospital.
A lot of the challenges we face is that physicians have a significant amount of patients and sometimes just not enough time. And in having also a significant amount of patients, they have a significant amount that have comorbidity. They have multiple problems. And so as quality specialists, we go in and we try to work through their workflows, their processes, to see how we can use the entire staff to focus on health maintenance so those providers have a chance to really address those problems that their patients have.
AFMC has just been a wonderful support to me as a quality director, to our facility as a whole, and then all of our facilities in the system. I always know that they've got my back. I'm not going to miss a deadline because I forgot to turn in something or make a designated quality indicator to the state. I just know that they're going to make sure that I'm successful, and that means everything to a quality director.
It is very important to create the culture of safety to prevent and reduce medical errors for the healthcare providers and the hospitals, to create systematized care which is concentrated around the patient's needs. The resources and information AFMC provide is a huge benefit and support for any healthcare facility. And not only that, they are very much feeling proud to work at an organization which really stresses emphasis on safety and a culture of patient-centered care.
AFMC has made a huge difference for patients and staff here at St. Vincent's. They help us make sure that we have quality, safe care, we meet the quality outcomes that the community expects, and it keeps us competitive in this market.
I think with Arkansas Foundation for Medical Care, they have really helped us be able to implement how we interact with our staff in terms of teaching them these guidelines. They've come out and they've helped my staff to understand when and why we do these things. So not just how often we should give it, but why do we screen for these things. And they've helped us to be able to improve quality in that way by doing in-services and things that we wouldn't necessarily have done on our own.
I think the assistance that we can provide in helping them with patient outcomes, helping them manage their patients. We work with each individual staff member from front office to back office to see what their job is, what their role is, and how we can help them improve as far as taking care of their patients, managing their time effectively, and basically improving the outcome of their patients.
We could not do our work without the relationship we have with groups like the Arkansas Medical Society, the Arkansas Hospital Association, the Healthcare Association, the Pharmacy Association. It's a vital Arkansas team across the medical community here.
AFMC is a membership organization, and as such, has to respond to the needs of its members. Physicians are busy practicing medicine day in and day out, seeing patients. They need to know that there is an organization out there that is looking at quality health care and giving them the tools that they need to provide better care to their patients.
I think the greatest resource that AFMC offers is a knowledgeable and experienced staff. Over the years, they've developed an expertise in hospital issues, and I think when they come into a hospital, the hospital staff has trust and confidence in what AFMC has to say.